The cliff notes. If a homeowner said, what is title insurance? Why do I need it?
Right.
What is the answer?
Yeah, you need it because you could lose your home after the fact, after paying $500,000. If somebody comes out of the woodwork from prior, let's say you do an interfamily deal. I've had this one. Uncle Joe leaves you the house, right? We always still do title insurance because we got to have it completely researched. If I wasn't part of that original deal when Uncle Joe bought it, I don't know how dumb the people were before. So you still buy a policy, and that title company is on the hook up to the amount of the value of the house. And I always have people pay another one that some lenders don't like called inflation endorsement. My customers always leave. I had a purchase yesterday where it increases with the value of the home.
Sure.
So that's important. So if the bomb blows off, you're going to be paid off. Now, how often does it happen? It happens enough that you'd never want to waive it.
Well, it doesn't matter until it does.
Right. Oh, and then you're like, oh, I can't, it's nothing you can reverse. If you call Allstate after you've hit somebody at an intersection, you're not getting coverage. So it's for serious things that you never thought could happen.
Right.
Somebody comes along and says there was a forgery 2 closings ago. I just discovered it when I went through my aunt's paperwork or whatever. You can sit back. You even get a free lawyer. The title insurance company defends that claim.
Whoa.
And pays
no
any
such thing called a free lawyer.
There is.
Well, they paid for the policy.
Okay, got it. All right.
Yeah, they're paid by the title company. So you never want to waive it. What we're going through in our industry here is that for years, the attorneys participated in the ownership of the title companies and things like that. And as Sarah can tell you, there's a movement where, of course, the brokerage companies are acquiring title companies. It comes with some awkward moments, though, because a guy like me who's had a legacy of counting on that to pay overhead and things like that, if we give up that side of the business, you will see a lot of my colleagues not be able to survive.
Sure.
When I go to a purchase, the other attorney does, okay, you don't get paid for doing nothing. You really do work. But if that is like as close as Florida, the reason they're double our prices because there aren't any lawyers down there. So close as Rockford, they've given up. So if that ever happened, I've been in it long enough where it wouldn't affect me, but it would definitely affect the younger lawyers trying to get into what we do.
Sure.
So we're holding hard. We're trying to keep our stake. And again, it's not just about who gets the money. It's because we don't know really the experience of the people.
You got to trust it.
That are starting these new companies.
Sure.
But yeah, so you never want to waive that. But yeah, the refinance, Dave, that's the logic behind that.